Hi everyone, I'm Catherine, but everyone knows me as Chip. I'm a Year 2 student at the University of South Wales studying creative and therapeutic arts. And from next week, I'm going to be putting on creative workshops for people living with MS and other neurological conditions in Aberdare. And I wanted to share with you a few things that we'll be making through the session. So next week, as it's beautiful autumn outside, we're going to be making some autumn leaf mobiles and cutting up some socks and helping to form them into circles for a dream catcher with the leaves. And then in another session, we'll be making God's eyes. So that's sticks woven together with string to make beautiful memorizing pattern like that. In another session, we're going to be making Christmas lanterns. So this is just literally a paper lantern covered with glue and tissue paper in however you feel you'd like to do. And then we can pop some fairy lights in with that as well. And then in another session, I'm hoping to do some felt with you all, which is really exciting, super tactile and highly relaxing. And there'll also be an opportunity to do a few things with clay. So this is a tea light that I made using terracotta air dried clay. Hopefully you can see that. And I've just taken a shape I found in nature, literally made that with my thumbs, and it holds a tea light. And if that's a bit too much or not really your thing, we can make some seed bombs. So I really look forward to meeting you all and seeing you there. Bye.